Namaskar, students. Today we will learn equalities of matrices. See, first of all, for the equality, we have two required two matrices. So let two matrix A, Aij, B, Bij. Let's compare them. A equal to B. Double implies mean which sufficient and necessary condition required for the equality of matrices. So first of all, they have to require same order. So order of A and B required same. Second condition, their corresponding elements are equal. Mean element of A is 1 1 and element of B is also 1 and they have to be equal. Second, A12 compare with B12. They have to be equal. In such a way, for all I and j, if Aij and Bij are equal, same order and Aij equal to Bij for all I and j, then if and only if mean double implies A and B are equal matrices. In example, sometime matrice is given equality form, and from that we have to find in some another variables. Okay, so see, one example is given here. Find x, y and z. Question 1. What is given? Matrix A and B are equal. A and B equal. What happen if they are equal? If they are equal, if and only if they have same order. So very clear. This is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. Same order. And then what happens? Second condition. Their corresponding element also equal. So this A11 is equal to B11. So y equal to 4. 3 equal to z. Z equal to 3. Then x equal to 1. Equality of corresponding element. We have to compare A11 with B11, A12 with B12, A21 with B21, A22 with B22. Okay, because the definition is given that if matrices are equal, they have same order and their corresponding elements equal. Okay, so in this way we have x1, y4, z3. Let's another example. X plus y 2, 5 plus z x into y equal to another equal matrix given 6, 2, 5, 8. So what is the what happen when two matrices are equal given? Very simple. Two things happen. So their corresponding element equal. So x plus y equal to 6, 2 equal to 2, 5 plus z equal to 5, x plus y equal to 8. We have four equations. So let's solve one by one. First, 5 plus z equal to 5. 5 plus z equal to 5. 5, 5 cut. Z equal to 0. So we get the value of z is 0. Second, x plus y equal to 6. So what is y? Y, taking x left side, 6 minus x. And what is xy? 8. xy 8. Put y. What is y? 6 minus x. Instead of y, put 6 minus x equal to 8. X multiply in bracket 6x minus x into x, x square. 8 taking left side, minus 8 equal to 0. So now multiply minus sign, so this become x square. This is minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Let's factorize. 4 2s are 8 and 4 plus 2 6. So x equal to 4 or 2. Answer. So what happen if x 4, then what is y? If x 4, then y is 6 minus 4, 2. Y is 2. Similarly, if x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. This is second example. Third example, x plus y plus z equal to 9, x plus z equal to 5, y plus z equal to 7. Two matrix equal given. So their corresponding element also equal. So we compare x plus y plus z equal to 9, x plus z equal to 5, y plus z equal to 7. Okay. So this is very simple example. First of all, let me solve these two. X plus z equal to 5, y plus z equal to 7. Addition x plus y plus z equal to 12. So what is x plus y plus z? X plus y plus z equal to 9. So put x plus y plus z equal to 9 plus z equal to 12. So z equal to 3. Okay, z equal to 3, 1 by 1 we put x plus z equal to 5. But z equal to 3. So x plus 3 equal to 5. Now 3 taking left side. So 3 taking left side, 5 minus 3 will be 2. So x equal to 2. Similarly, this value z substitute in second equation, y plus z equal to 7. Y plus z equal to 7, but z equal to 3. So y plus 3 equal to 7. 3 taking left side. So what happen? Subtract with from 7. It will be 4. So y equal to 4. Let's another example. 3.17. Next example. Find A, B, C if two matrices are equal. Two matrices are A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 30. So where we know that if two matrices equal, their corresponding element equal. It means this 1 1 element with this 1 1 element, 1 2 element equal to 1 2 element, 2 1 element equal to 2 1 element, and 2 2 element equal to 2 2 element. So in this way, both are 2 by 2 matrices. So we have 2 into 2, 4 such equations. Let's compare one by one. First of all, let me compare this 1 1 and 2 1 with minus 1 0. So a minus b equal to minus 1, equation 1. 2a minus b equal to 0, equation 2. Let's solve. Elimination. This is minus 1, this is minus b, this is minus b. So minus b plus b minus plus b cut. B cut a minus 2a. So minus a remain. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. So minus a equal to minus 1, a equal to 1. Value of a is 1. Okay. This value put in equation 1. This is equation 1. Put a equal to 1. So what happened? 1 minus b equal to minus 1. See here. So what is b? Taking left side, b taking right side, we get b equal to 2. Value of a and b calculated. Now this value of a put in another equation. What is another equation? 2a plus c equal to 5. 2a plus c equal to 5. Put a equal to 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus c equal to 5. 2 taking left side. Subtract from 5. C equal to 3. This c equal to 3 put in another equation. 3c plus d equal to 30. So 3c plus d equal to 13. C equal to 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Plus d equal to 13. 9 taking left side. Subtract from 13. So d equal to 4. In this way, we get A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. Another equation. Another example. 3.110. This is MCQ. See, the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. These are options. So first of all, order 3 by 3. So let me write general 3 by 3 matrix. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. There are 9 such entries. Also given each entry either 0 or 1. So this is 0 or 1, two possibilities. This is also 0 or 1, two possibility, two possibility, two possibility, in such a way. Two possibilities for all entries. Here also 0 or 1, 0 or 1. So each entry 0 or 1. How many possibilities? Two possibilities. And how many entries? There are 9 entries. Okay, so remember probability. Possible matrices are 2 raised to 9. Okay, because 2 possibility, 2 possibility, 2 possibility, 2 possibility, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 9 times. So 2 raised to 9, and 2 raised to 9 is 5, 1, 2. So answer is D. Okay, students, also write your homework illustration 4 and 5, 3.1 question 8 and 9. These questions and these calculated question you have to write 2 times. Remember. Okay, thank you.